Not all land can be used to grow crops or rear livestock. Generally speaking, farming activities are affected by physical and cultural factors. Physical factors include climate and land, while cultural factors include labour, technology, transport network, etc. Let's examine the case in Lam Tsuen Valley to learn more about the factors that affect the agricultural development there. Lam Tsuen Valley has a long farming history. It is located near to Lam Tsuen in Taipo. Farmers used to grow vegetables and rice for a long period of time. However, with a significant decline in the farming population, the farmers that remain have shifted to grow festive flowers. Look around. The greenness of the valley suggests that it is a suitable place for farming. First of all, the valley is surrounded by the hills. The flat valley bottom and the sheltered environment are good conditions for growing crops. Secondly, the Lam Tsuen River, which passes through the valley, provides irrigation water and fertile alluvial soil. Thirdly, Lam Cam Road, adjacent to the valley, provides good transport networks for delivering crops and farm produce to the markets. All these factors favour the farming activities here. All these mentioned features can be found in the map given in your textbook. Try to locate the map evidence of farmland, woodland, rivers and roads from reading the conventional signs. You may also examine whether the valley is a suitable place for arable farming by reading the contour map. However, other physical factors that determine whether a place is suitable for farming may not be read from a map. These factors include air temperature and relative humidity. Therefore, when you have a field study in Lam Tsuen Valley, try to measure these data on site. You can also collect the climatic data and information about the farming background of the valley from the internet.